Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is the lesson of D3, chapter number 1, exercise 1A, that is about solving quadratic equation by completing square method. This lesson I am making on special request and demand of one of my students. Before going to the lesson, I just want to say if you find any difficulty in understanding the lesson, you have to watch the previous lessons which are about the completing square method and hit and trial method, and I'll give you the clear understanding when to apply completing square method and hit and trial method. Let's move to the question. It says that given that the equation y square minus ay minus 6 equals to 0, where is the constant, find the expression for y in terms of a. First write the question and then think about the possible solutions, methods of solutions for this equation. If we try to apply midterm split, we cannot apply midterm split here because we cannot find two suitable factors that can give me minus ay and minus 6 at the same time. So we have to go for the method of completing square for the solution of this equation. Now, how to apply method of completing square? Recall my previous lesson that for the solution of the equation, quadratic equation, by completing the square, the quadratic equation must be in standard form with the coefficient of square term positive 1. This equation is in standard form with the coefficient of the square term positive 1 and constant at the last place. And the second step was that we have to shift the constant to other side by changing the sign. 6 is the constant, so shift it to other side as 6 has the negative sign towards this side. So when I will be shifting towards other side, it will become positive. After that, if you recall method of completing square, the next step was that we have to identify the coefficient of term having power 1. The coefficient of term having power 1 is minus a, and then after identification of the coefficient of the term having power 1, we have to half it. That we have to divide that by 2, and after dividing that number by 2, we have to take the square of that half, and that square in order to express the expression on the left hand side in form of the perfect square identity, we have to add that expression on both sides of the equation. So my expression that will make this expression y square minus ay as the perfect square identity is minus a by 2 whole square, and that I am going to add on both sides of equation, and my equation left hand side of the equation will take the form y square minus ay minus a by 2 whole square equals to 6 plus minus a by 2 whole square. Now look at the left hand side of the equation, y square minus ay plus a square by 4. This is similar to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now what I have to do at this stage is that I have to write it in form of the identity a plus b or a minus b. That will depend upon this middle sign, as the middle sign has a negative sign here, middle term has a negative sign here, so I will write it in the form y minus a by 2 whole square. Coming to the right hand side, it will become 6 plus a square by 4. Square of the number, whether that is negative or positive, will always be positive. Now in order to solve and express by expression in terms of y in terms of a, I have to simplify the right hand side of the equation. I have to take the LCM. 4 will be the LCM. 6 has the denominator 1, so 6 will be multiplied by 4. It will become 24 plus a square. Now in order to get the root or solution, what I have to do, I have to take the square root on both sides, and when I will be taking square root on both sides, on the left hand side y minus a by 2, I have to remove this square by taking the square root, and on the other side the expression will become in the form 24 plus a square by 4. This 4 is a perfect square, so it can be taken out of the square root because 4 is a perfect square, so I can write it 24 plus a square by 2, and on this side I will just have y minus a by 2. Then the question says find the expression for y in terms of a. In order to get the value of y, what I have to do, I have to shift this a by 2 to other side. As a by 2 has the negative sign, so when I will be shifting towards other side, it will become a by 2 plus minus. I can write either 24 plus a square or a square plus 24 by 2. Now simplify it more because both the terms are having 2 as the denominator. Take the LCM. A plus minus a square by 24. Now I have found the expression for y in terms of a. I hope the lesson is easy and clear to you. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.